Ah, you finally here?
We think we smashed it.
What do you mean with... Now, they think they smash it. Let me see.
Look at that. That's it, right?
Oh, yes. You did follow my instruction. This is perfect. You two vegetable, remember? You do the courgettes.
Oh.
You do the potatoes. Let's put this baby here.
How thin do I do it?
Rocco, you all right with the crust?
Yeah, I'm trying my best. Wait, is this...
Wait, not too thin. The problem is, look how thick is this and how thin is this. This is gonna...
I was giving you a comparison. That was on purpose.
I'm using roughly chopped carrots, onions and loads of rosemary to create a rack for the beef to sit on. If you want gravy, this can make a great base for it.
And what we do, we get the beef, straight on top. And look, it's very important to keep the fat on the top side because then the fat is gonna melt and it's gonna ooze into the meat. It's gonna be fantastic. But before you do anything, score the fats, so then you have the fat melt beautifully.
I'm using the rib, but any cut of beef joint will do the job too.
Then extra virgin olive oil, rub it in, then salt, and then loads of black pepper. I like it. Boys, have you seen how easy is this?
Yeah, it's super easy.
While I've smashed the beef out, Luciano has chopped 750 grams of scrubbed potatoes, skin on, and tossed them into a baking dish with sliced red and yellow peppers.
Now, these are the best way to do potato. Learn this because there is no fluffing around you. We don't parboil them, we don't shake them in a tray. You just shovel everything in here, loads of flavors in the oven, job done. Okay, this is done. Super, super facilissimo. Tell my pals what facilissimo means?
Easy.
Easy. Okay. Well, good luck you two. Remember, everybody's going to be here quite soon. Oh, God. Follow the beef. Follow the beef. Now, guys, what I want you to do, you put the oven up 230 degrees. And do me a favor, preheat it for a good half an hour because we want the oven really, really hot. So, very fast, goes in, no foil, nothing on top. 40 minutes like this. Later on, I'll show you what to do.
Do you have to turn on the grill?
Kind of. This is why we shouldn't be left alone in the kitchen.
Oh, that's on.
So you get grilling. Should we do an impression of Dad?
Go on.
Okay, guys, this is super simple. The family can do it, the children can do it. Chuck that in there, chuck this here, grill that there.
I mean, I hope he never sees that, to be honest with you, but...
Luciano has added 6 whole cloves of garlic, skin off, and around 6 tablespoons of olive oil. But, Luciano...
Oh my God, I've forgotten my rosemary. Here I am getting all cocky that I finished.
I told you should focus on yourself. This is okay, right? This is nice and crispy.
They definitely look a lot better like that, with a little bit of colour. See you in a bit.
What do you mean?
I'm done, man. I'm not going to hang around you.
Oh, how are we doing with everything else?
Yeah, really good.
Did I hear you and him doing some silly Italian accent?
No, don't be silly. Of course not.
Oh, at this rate, I'm going to be here all night.
Meanwhile, back to the beef.
And after 40 minutes, simple. You put it down to 160 degrees, open the oven, 200 milliliters of red wine, and do remember, don't use wine that is not good, yeah? Because if it's not good for drinking, it should never be good for cooking. So just put it like that, close it, and then 1.5 hours.